Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. This is incredibly useful when you need to loop in additional people to a meeting you've already scheduled or when someone needs the meeting details at the last minute. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side navigation panel in Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll see several options for different features within the app. Go ahead and click on Meet. This is your central hub for everything related to meetings in Teams, from scheduling new ones to managing your existing calendar. Once you're in the Meet section, look for the area labeled Scheduled Meetings. This section displays all your upcoming meetings in chronological order, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You'll be able to see the meeting titles, dates, times, and other relevant details at a glance. Now, scroll through your scheduled meetings and locate the specific meeting you want to share with other people. Once you've found it, you'll notice an option called Share Invite associated with that meeting. Click on it. This action generates a shareable link that contains all the meeting information, including the date, time, and Teams meeting room access. After clicking Share Invite, the invite link is automatically copied to your clipboard. You'll typically see a brief confirmation message indicating that the link has been copied. The link itself contains everything someone needs to join your meeting, from the meeting ID to the passcode if one is required. It's a complete package that makes joining seamless for your invite. Now comes the simple part. Just paste this copied link wherever you need to send it. You can drop it into a Teams chat, send it via email, add it to a Slack message, or share it through any other communication platform you prefer. Anyone who receives this link will be able to join the meeting at the scheduled time even if they weren't originally on the invite list. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Microsoft Teams meeting invite with others, making collaboration easier and ensuring everyone has access to the meeting details they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.